Hello, my name is Tina Gote, and I'm submitting my portfolio defense for FELS Standard 3, School Operations and Management. Effective educational leaders manage school operations and resources to cultivate a safe school environment and promote academic success and well-being of all students. School administrators are responsible for ensuring operational systems such as the master schedule and budget align with school improvement. We serve a diverse learning population and with varying academic needs, academic and social emotional needs that must prioritize both academic growth and students' well-being. Therefore, we must maximize instructional time and support of diverse learners, provide teachers with collaboration and planning opportunities, and ensure organizational systems and resources support the learning environment. How can we do this? We utilize the master schedule to prioritize uninterrupted core instructional time with built-in blocks for intervention and enrichment. We can also align the school's budget with data-driven needs and provide equitable resources across grade levels. And this may include technology or adaptive services. We also would invest in professional development with targeted strategies guided by the identified needs from the school improvement plan. Ensuring funding for safety upgrades and student support services helps to ensure the overall student is supported. My internship activities related to FELS 3, I observed and participated in the behind-the-scenes operations that help the school to run smoothly. It gives me the opportunity to observe the design of the master schedule for the 2025-2026 school year. I also learned how to analyze how time and resources were allocated to meet the academic and safety goals. So ensuring that we have adequate coverage for, let's say, resource time, or we have adequate coverage during lunch or outdoor activities. In addition, I had the opportunity to assist in a school safety planning and implementation of a school-wide drill, notifying personnel and ensuring the staff reported and school procedures were followed, monitoring the evacuation process and check-in zones, and tracking the evacuation time. I also was able to make suggestions on how to improve safety protocols, showing and commenting on both physical safety and preparedness. So there was an activity at the school where fire prevention awareness helps to make students more comfortable with the knowledge of how to be prepared and the importance of being prepared. I believe that this concludes FELS 3. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.